Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome. As a matter of fact, I want to show you testimony that will shock you. Alright? Because our product works. This testimony I'm about showing you, these are the product the lady used. Yes, she actually got them in the bulk that she'll be using them for 5 months plus now. But as a matter of fact, testimony, the past testimony, you watch that testimony and tell me, if the product are not working, but the product they are really working. It's amazing. As a matter of fact, I'll always tell you guys, only what you need to do is exfoliate your skin very well and see the effect. See the effect. I'm telling you, see the effect of this product. You will enjoy them. Just imagine the write up when she write me, and I was like, who's this? You know? God bless you, Queen. God bless you for that testimony. And that you didn't even decide to go give the credit to anybody, like you give the credit to God by bringing the testimony to me. As a matter of fact, that is real talk. This product, they work. All you need to do is exfoliate very well, exfoliate your skin. That's all. White lady lotion, if you've been using it for a very long period, you suppose don't turn something else, you know. So please note that this product, they work, and they work perfectly. All right, tomorrow we'll be doing classes on how to make a glowing lotion and also a whitening lotion as a gift from my heart to you. So get ready. Bye bye.